I'm talking about the perception that governance is not moving forward in the way.
Perception is not the reality. Perception is not the reality. Perception is the perception. Yes, there have been slowdown. I do not rule out that possibility. But as I mentioned to you earlier, that the international community has lost confidence in India. Otherwise, for the first time, an assessment has been made that 2050, India is going to be the biggest economy. Otherwise, there would not have been rating that India-China, for the next couple of years, the growth rate would be the same. Therefore, from one study or from one observation or from the observation of some opposition parties, don't arrive at a conclusion that the international community does not have confidence in India. They have confidence. But at the same time, that does not mean we shall not do anything. That's why I myself stated that to finance the current account deficit, to ensure that there is a steady flow of FDI, we shall have to take measures, and we are going to take it.
You said today that the perception that is growing that there's a governance and ethical deficit is incorrect. Your colleague, the Home Minister, admitted so in an interview. Even the Prime Minister said that yes, there's been a governance deficit. Why is it that is Pranab Mukherjee in denial on this issue?
I am afraid I am an old hat and I do not believe in making comments. When I am in government, I shall have to maintain certain norms. If I find that there is a deficit in the governance, then the basic question, corollary question comes, why I am there? I am not going into that aspect. It is a very strong statement. I am compelled to make it. So far the allegation of the corruption is concerned, if I pose the counter question, where is the delay? In 2G scam, so-called 2G scam, when the first information came that there are irregularities in the allocation of 2G spectrum, not in 2010, please remember the date. In October 2009, CBI first filed the FIR. Government's inaction. When the Commonwealth game was over, almost next day, Prime Minister announced the appointment of the committee. Is it delay? Government's inaction. The day CAG's report was available, Minister concerned resigned. Is it delay?
But then
government's inaction. You will hang a people, there is a due process of law. You may have your own perceptions. Somebody may have their own perceptions. But can we completely throw away the due process of law? Simply allegations, we will hang the people.
But then does it hurt you when
yes, please, don't be impatient. Therefore, in each and every case, whether irregularities in allocation of 2G spectrum, allegations in respect of Commonwealth game, and allegations in respect of Housing Cooperative Society in Maharashtra, everywhere action is being taken. But if I accept the proposition which you are trying to found out, or somebody, not you but somebody, that simply allegations and hang the people, no civilized society works on that.